How to create glass icon pack OneUI for free. Apply it to all apps on your phone. A transparent icon pack inspired by the iOS 26 liquid glass style. Let's install it on all your Samsung OneUI devices. Open Play Store, then install Icon Pack Studio app. Enter GlassGlow, then search Icon Pack in Community tab. Download GlassGlow Icon Pack. Tap GlassGlow icon in My Library. Tap Apply, then OK and OK to export Icon Pack to your storage. After Icon Pack exported, exit and open My Files app. Install exported Icon Pack. Disable Play Protect to install APK on OneUI. Next, open Galaxy Store, then get Good Lock or Find Lock on Play Store. Makeup tab. Install Theme Park module. Tap Icon tab. Create new. Tap Icon Pack, then choose Exported Icon Pack Install. Tap Download and set a name of Icon Pack. After Create Icon, select GlassGlow Icon Pack, then apply on your Galaxy. Now all the icons on your device have switched to the glass style look. A beautiful transparent icon pack with a liquid glass style similar to iOS 26. To return to the default, simply open Good Lock and go to Theme Park. Select Default Icon Pack, then Apply. The icons have now returned to the default OneUI style. Thanks for watching video.